Hey there, fellow viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an informative guide on a topic that affects millions of people around the world: migraines. We'll explore what migraines are, their causes, common symptoms, and most importantly, how to prevent them. So, let's start. First off let's understand the basics. Migraines are neurological disorders influenced by both genetic and environmental factors. Research suggests that certain genetic variations can make individuals more susceptible to migraines. So it's essential to be aware of your family history. Now let's talk about triggers. Migraines can be set off by various factors, including stress, hormonal changes, lack of sleep, certain foods, and environmental stimuli like bright lights or strong smells. Keeping track of your triggers in a migraine diary can help you identify and avoid them. Stress is a common migraine culprit. Managing stress through relaxation exercises, deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or engaging in hobbies can significantly reduce the frequency of migraine attacks. Next, sleep and diet play vital roles in migraine prevention. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring adequate duration without oversleeping or sleep deprivation. And don't forget to stay hydrated and eat regular, balanced meals. Dehydration and skipping meals can trigger migraines. Did you know that regular exercise can be an effective preventive measure for migraines? Engaging in physical activity helps reduce the frequency and severity of migraine attacks. Find an exercise routine that suits you, but remember to start gradually and listen to your body. If you're experiencing frequent or severe migraines, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional specializing in migraines. They can assess your condition and provide personalized recommendations. In some cases, preventive medications may be prescribed to help manage and reduce the occurrence of migraines. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on migraines. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and implementing these preventive measures, you can take control and minimize the impact of migraines on your life. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, so find what works best for you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, take care and be well.